You keep chasing the bird, then mommy angry with you, right? Huh? Can chase the bird, right? Look at me, Dottie. I'm talking to you. Huh? You chase the bird, I'm very angry with you. Then what do you get? Huh? What do you get? You get scolded, right? Then you make mommy angry with you, right? Huh? Then you happy? People angry with you, happy? Still smiling. If I see you chase the bird, you're going to stay at home. Morning is going out, and you stay at home. No kissing. I mean it. Huh? I see you chase the bird, you stay at home. Then Molly go swimming, you stay at home. Huh? Okay? Can or not? You stay at home. No begging. You beg also no use. So you want to chase the bird or not? The bird I saw to you. Huh? Must chase. Is it? Chase? You stay at home. Yeah, the bird is below. You go and chase. The bird is below. You share already. You go and chase. Go and chase. Then later, Molly go swimming. Dottie will stay at home. Okay? Dottie stay at home. You stay at home. You want to chase, you stay at home and chase the bird. Mommy bring Molly go swimming. Okay? You chase.